Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an international TikTok account. Again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So now the question would be, why would anyone want to create an international TikTok account? Is the TikTok account created in your country not enough? And what is an international TikTok account, by the way? So the answer to the first question is very simple and straightforward: monetization. Now, there are some features that is present in that so-called international TikTok account that is not present in the local TikTok account. And that feature, that extra feature, is the monetization feature. TikTok called it the Creator Rewards Program. Now, it's simple. If you are a creator, you are a content creator, or you just own a TikTok account, you are a business person, and you have a very reasonable number of followers, you have reasonable number of engagements and views, TikTok is going to reward you for that, for job well done. Just like YouTube will reward you for, reasonable number of views and subscribers and followers and engagement, So TikTok is going to reward you. It's going to pay you for certain number of views, for certain number of engagements, if you have some reasonable number of followers. That is the extra features, the monetization features. Of course, everyone would want to utilize that, right? If you have an opportunity, you want to utilize it. So that is the reason why you need an international TikTok account. Although you can still make money off your local TikTok account, if you have some number of views, you can go live stream, you can receive gifts, you receive different gifts through live stream. You make some money from that, right? But then again, there is some extra income here. You can live stream, you can get gifts, and at the same time, you can be earning from your followers, from your likes, from your views, from your engagement. That is some extra income, right? So that is why you need an international TikTok account. Now, what is an international TikTok account? International TikTok account doesn't mean every country out there aside yours. No, I'm a Nigerian. I live in Nigeria. So international TikTok account doesn't mean every other country like Ghana, Cameroon, Canada, every other countries. No, there are some selected countries that has this feature. It's not all countries out there. These selected countries include the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, South Korea, France, and Brazil. The US, the UK, Germany, Japan, South Korea, France, and Brazil. Though, are you going to create an account that is from these countries? So I'm going to teach you two methods to get an account from this country that has these features, okay? So number one method is this. If you have anybody in these countries, any of these countries, you can call them, reach out to them so they can help you create an account. You can send them your email. You can open an email for this purpose. You send them the email. They use that email to create an account for you. They verify the account with that country's phone number. If it's UK, they verify the account with a UK phone number there. Then they send you the login details, so you can access the account and start using it. That account is going to have all the monetization features and every other extra features it's coming with. So that is method number one. Also, if you don't have, if you don't want to use the family and friends, you can also reach out to some creators. There are some creators that creates this account for people. You can pay them to create this account for you. Okay, so that is the first method. Now, there is another method. This method, you can create this account yourself. You create this account by yourself. You don't need any third party, and you don't even need a VPN to do so. And that is what I'm going to teach you right now. So without further ado, let's get on to TikTok. Let me show you. But before then, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest video. Also, to push this video to as many as those that will need it. Okay, so let's get on to TikTok. Let me show you how to create this international TikTok account by yourself, all by yourself with your device without using any VPN. Okay,
what the hell are you waiting for?
We got company. We got compromise. Everybody to your position.
Okay, hello everyone, this is TikTok. So we are here on TikTok. Let me show you how to create the international TikTok account. It is very simple. Now, right now, it is assumed that you have TikTok installed on your device already. Whether you're using an Android device, you must have installed it through the Google Play Store. Or if you're using an iPhone, an Apple device, you must have installed it through the App Store. So whichever the case, you've installed your TikTok, it's ready, it's on your phone. So what you need to do after you've opened your TikTok like this, you click on the profile. At the bottom right corner of this TikTok page, you'll see here, profile, you click on it. Now, if you are just installing your TikTok, you won't have any profile account displayed here. It's because I have this existing and I've already logged in a different account. That's why you're seeing GpexSkills Academy there. Okay. So, normally you see like a login page or a sign up page or a register page here. But since you already have an account, you click on this account name at the top of the page, you click on it. But if it's your first time, please just go ahead to click on the sign up button. Okay, so let's click on this and click on add account. So here you see that there are different sign up options. You have sign up with phone number, then you have sign up, continue with an email, continue with Facebook, Apple or Google. There are so many options you can use to sign up on TikTok. But you don't just go ahead to fill in these details and sign up. No. So what you need to do first is to change your location. Now, read below, you see, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria. So you need to click on that Nigeria to change the location. You click on it. Now, once you click on it, you select one of the countries that is among the selected ones that has that extra features. Remember them. You have United States, you have United Kingdom, and the rest. You know them already. Okay, just choose one of those countries in the list and you can proceed. So let me just go with United Kingdom. UK, you have it there. You click on it. So once you're done, you can select any of these options to continue. Now, please don't use your phone number. I repeat, do not use your Nigerian phone number. Or if you are, by the way, if you are in any of the countries that is not among the selected ones that has these features, please don't use your phone number. Use an email to register for this. And your email can be created in Nigeria. It can be created where you are. So it doesn't really matter, but just use an email to do this. Okay, so you're going to proceed with either an email or using your Google directly on your phone. So just click on continue with Google. Just accept and continue. It's going to open your Google account. So it's going to open your Google account that you have logged in on your device. So what you need to do is to choose the one that you'd like to proceed with. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. Then when it's opened, you enter your password. Then you click on continue to proceed. So now that you've continued with your email, with your Google, you select your date of birth. Now, this is very important. One of the very requirements to register for this international account is that you are up to the age of 18. So let's select our date of birth, our birthday. So when you're done, you can proceed. Okay, you see that the nickname is created already automatically. This is from the email we used to register for this account. Okay, remember again, I reiterate, you can either use your email, you click on it, you enter your email address, or you use your Google. Just click on it and continue, follow the prompt to log in with your Google account. Okay, so you can leave this nickname as is, or you can erase it and use something else. Okay, so let's just proceed with this. And that is it, guys. Our international TikTok account is being created. Now you see that it comes with a profile picture that is still from the Google account which we used. Yes, so if you use an email, you click on it, you enter the email yourself and you enter your password. It won't come with a profile picture. It won't come with your nickname, your username. It won't come with that. You'll be the one to enter those informations yourself, okay? But because we use the Google automatically, every details on that Google we just reflect here on TikTok, both the profile picture and the nickname. If you don't like it, you can erase it. You can use your nickname. If you don't like the profile picture, you can remove it as well, okay? So this is our international TikTok account. It's ready. So how would you know that this account is international TikTok account? So what you need to do, you click on this menu, these three dots, you click on it. Then you see balance, right? So when you click on this balance, if it's a Nigerian TikTok account, the currency should be in Nigeria. But if it's UK, it should be in pounds. Okay, so let's open it and see if it's in pounds or in Nigeria currency. So now you see the currency here is in pounds. You see GBP, that is in pounds. Okay, so we are going to go for that to check if this account has the creator rewards program. Okay, aside this currency, we still need to see that creator rewards program to confirm that it has that feature of monetization. So let's go back and look for the creator rewards program if it has it. So you click on TikTok Studio. So you can see United Kingdom there. Now let's click on monetization. You see our balance. Now let's look for creator rewards program. You see right here, creator rewards program. That is creator rewards program, guys. So our account is fully an international TikTok account. It has all the features. It has the creator rewards program. The currency is in pounds. It has all the features of monetization right now. So what you need to do next is to update your profile. So guys, this is the creator rewards program. You can see right here, this is not present in Nigerian TikTok account. You can only find this in international TikTok account, okay? So this account is fully an international TikTok account with all the monetization features, okay? So you can click back and look around, you check, you see that all the features, they are present, no doubt they are here. Okay, so what you need to do, you open your TikTok Studio, then you click on monetization. Here you see all the features right here. It is present. It is not on your normal TikTok account. So now that the account is ready, what you need to do is to update your profile. So you need to update your profile. You edit your profile, you enter your bio, and you enter every other details that is necessary to start your account. So that is what we are going to learn in the next video, in the next class. How to optimize your TikTok bio for maximum reach. How to optimize your TikTok bio in a very professional way. That is what we are going to learn in the next video. So this is how you create an international TikTok account all by yourself without the use of any VPN, without using any third party, without using any creator, without paying anybody any money to help you create it, without having family or friends in any of the selected countries that has the monetization features. This is how you do it all by yourself. You see, this TikTok has everything. It has all the monetization features. It's just as if it is created in the UK. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you turn on that notification bell so you receive the video. You'll be the first person to receive an alert that a video has dropped. So thank you again for this class. My name is Jacob with Gpex. I'll see you in the next video. Bless.